I'm learning to find joy right here in the mess of things. It's like I either have my hair, nails, and makeup all done, or I look completely absurd. As there's no in between. I've never heard any real lady saying that I have too much makeup. Do you know why? It's because there are some people who will only like you if you just fit into their boring box. Endure. Real ladies are not just afraid of it, they shove the box up with their asses. Ladies, beauty is power. Our makeup enhances that. It's a woman's secret. And at last, I would say it's better surround yourself with makeup rather than negativity.